No big deal about that. Tu vas peut-être reswap en tant que Badin, vu que j'ai mis 2 tanks def qui ont
J'ai
chuté.
pris Locus, j'ai pris Brimstone et j'ai pris Tank Def. Et je peux même jouer
Prends
Tank
tank def.
Off. Donc j'ai les 4. Si jamais.
Prends tank def, tu vas
I
jouer
think
avec...
Alicita speak Spanish, I think.
Who? Okay. Can you translate for me?
Alicita, ¿que puedes jugar que no sea healer?
Puedo jugar todos los roles, menos hielo.
She can play any role, not Prisma or something.
Okay.
Do we have a bedrock if you want to be playing kite?
Nope.
Okay. Do you think we should trust that shit? I mean, it's a hard roll.
¿Qué otro rol quieres jugar que no sea healer, Alicita?
De lo
I'd
que
rather have-
falte.
No, I mean... Oh, Meathead? Call of Purity, please. Everyone come to you without +5, please. I'm just gonna check what we have.
What you need?
I don't know yet. I think I'm gonna take the healer still, because 3 healer is pretty huge.
Alicita healer. Okay.
Sunny?
Go holy healer, please. Holy healer.
Yeah.
Me sagrado.
Ok. ¿Santi o caído?
Santi.
Santi.
Ok.
Yes.
Kidio? Kyo, I don't know how to fucking call you. Sorry. Can you play something else than Runbreaker? Can you play another DPS maybe? Like Spiked? T'as pas le dernier Z, Uzi, par hasard?
Non, je sais pas. J'étais j'étais maîtrise 10. Hein. Là, je suis en train de les montrer au bouquin, mais j'aurais pas le temps de monter et tout.
Y a pas de problème.
100.
Sunny, get me Jagged of Tenacity and Graveyard Boots, please. Thank you, bro. And you're gonna be my permafrost. Meathead, you take the Impaler on your W. Okay, everyone come to U-Wood out +5, please. U-Wood out +5. Tronica, I'd suggest you
Ouais, attends, je reviens.
to play Mistcaller and what's the name? Mistcaller and Breasty Cape. Mistcaller is a must-have, and Breasty Cape is for you to, like, when you pop your Knight Helmet, to be legit invincible and unslinsable.
Ah putain, non, il est. Ah, chier.
Hello, hello.
Oh, Boomer! Hello!
What do you need, man?
What do I need, my bro? Can you give me a Navy Mace?
What?
A Navy Mace.
Heavy maze, sure.
Okay, thank you.
I can.
Let's carry my fucking Zero, bro. Group lemurs, yes, I'm gonna take X now and your weapon and the faction chat to be picked up, please, if you're not on the... no, just saying.
Do you want Demon, Guardian, Judy?
Duskweaver.
Duskweaver, okay.
Yeah. I need to lower your just a little. I'm gonna stream here. Wanna have some fun?
We have a Brim? Okay.
No, he will swap to D-Tank, because I did ask him to. Bada, tu me swaps en tank dev, s'il te plaît. Shoes. Listen to me.
Do you want me with Helion hood or Judith jacket? O sea, Judith helmet.
Either Judy helmet and Merc shoes or face scale sandals and Cloud Call.
Okay.
You choose. Shoes, listen to me. Jacket of
Yeah.
tenacity and you're perfect. Take a jacket of tenacity, okay? With
Oh,
stew.
I don't have fame about that
I-
armor.
It's okay. Just take it anyway.
Okay.
Buddy, you don't need to heal. You're gonna be with us, and the healers will get you. You need to trust the healers.
Yeah. What we're gonna do is vroom vroom, annihilate people's. Go back. Ouais. Mais genre t'as quoi 3 minutes.
En 3 minutes, j'aurai pas le temps.
Ok.
Boys, everyone that doesn't understand the comp, we're playing a kite comp. We will go in and we're gonna get the fuck out. We will not go inside and brawl with them.
We're gonna go
What's
vroom
this?
vroom.
If the shot caller says a shallow engage, don't push like crazy. Be ready with your boots to run back.
Good. Tronical, by the way, take the CC, take the desecrate, because the beam it will be the color who will have it, because he play witchwork. Good.
Yeah, by the way, listen, you don't need more DPS. You have a fucking 8.4
Yeah, I know.
realm breaker that will delete people by solo.
No worries. I'm aware of that. I know the guy.
Yeah, don't worry. We boys, everyone else can just stay here. Got it.
Reading language. Nothing. Nothing anymore in life.
No. Send him and the permain alone, but they can actually fucking one-shot everyone.
I think I'm gonna fake with Kidia if he's aware. Just if you can come back, it's good. Sunny, I don't have to Valor instead. Problem with Valor, Sunny, is that if they got GA, you will get GA if you don't get any CC before. With Gravegut boots, you don't care of fucking GA.
Anything.
The only thing who can fuck you up is Purge. So that's why somehow you play Breasty Cape for a lot of peoples. Even if in main third. It's fucking powerful. Okay, remount. Come, what do we do? Do we
Yo,
go
to be honest, for the occult target, I'm thinking that I should target Sunny because he's
Northeast,
8.4 round.
Yeah, but we got a powerful perma as well, so
I
it
know,
depends.
I know, but
If you go too far or you get stopped, like you see his GA, just swap, okay?
yeah.
But for now,
I'll keep an eye
you
open.
can,
But
Holy
yo,
shit.
Sunny can actually one-shot people. Like if he does that much damage, goddamn. But also the perma.
Okay, my 2 offensive tank is marked. When I tell you to follow the crown, you follow the crown. If I tell you to engage at the direction, you look at the fucking crown. No, not the crown, the shield and the skull, okay? Do instantly whatever I say, okay? Because if I misplay, like you listen to me, you fucking die, and like we wipe them, we wipe us all, it will be my fault and I will be able to improve. If you don't listen to me and you do whatever shit you want to do, we won't be able to improve together.
Le Spartan qui crash.
We're in Aspen Wood moving northwest towards Fort
Attends,
Stone.
on te reprend, ouais.
Okay.
Et you job. We're gonna go Malvergorish, I'm telling you.
We're soon in Eisenmon, the well boss, the yellow zone.
In
Get
Hispania.
time to catch up.
Ça va les gears, hein? Ils font pas équivalent vite comme nous.
Ah gros, si j'avais pas la flemme de me faire de la thune, je serais en 8-3 tous les jours.
Ah, je peux aller en 8-3 moi, je peux swap.
Oui, mais en BZ aussi. C'est
Non,
quoi
si.
Voilà.
Si,
J'irai même vers 18 hein.
j'ai un swap. Au pire, s'ils sont vraiment trop en face, je swap en 8-3, comme ça je résiste mieux.
So northeast gate, northeast gate, northeast gate. How about I didn't tell you? Be quick. Got none of my healers on the group removed first.
Buddy, do you have the 8.3 realm? That shit can heal you if it hits hard enough.
Not even kidding, bro. He can find my dad.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, we can get you a job, we can, buddy, whatever. Fix your car instantly. Bam.
Abo, c'est des sur tes bottes. Normalement, c'est des sur ta tête aussi. Ah, c'est des sur ta tête. Aussi. Alors, rien à foutre des dégâts.
Oh shit. Yo, Sonny. It actually might be worth for you to take W2 and I empowering beam you and you ejaculate tenacity a physical
Yes.
target. Oh my god, buddy.
This is the thing.
We can
Uzi?
pick both cards, your and mine at the same
Wait.
time, buddy.
Uzi, sur tes passifs, tu prends full résistance. Donc t'en as rien à foutre de cesser plus longtemps, vraiment. Pas ton job. Et surtout quand tu vas démon, mon pote. T'as à avoir les passifs de rési. Sur la tête aussi, oublie pas. Voilà,
Attends, je dois abandonner, j'ai un appel pro. Je reviens.
super, pas de problème. Comme dans Frosh Gate again. We're gonna put some music.
Oh yeah.
Not that type of shit. That maybe. Wait, come up, +1. If you're in the if you're in the VC and you don't have a party yet, X now and then your weapon and the faction chat to be picked up. Come on the ping, everyone come on the ping. Come northeast. No, not +2. They wanted to go at +2, we're gonna go at +2, I don't care.
Yes, send fucking Sonny. He got it.
So...
I'm gonna fight 2, then like just siege on 2. Which will be tough, but can bait some people here. Okay, dismount on me.
Yes, call it when you want the cult.
When I say 5, you occult.
Okay, got it.
Food check.
Yo, what do you need, Naomi?
Wait. Engage northeast. Northeast inside. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage, 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 engage. More, more, more. Go back, 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 go back. Back south, go back south, go back south, go back south. Take care. Defensives. Defensives, defensives. Hello, where's demons? Where's demons? Go back south, 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 south. Run south, run south, run south. It's okay, run south, run south. Take back cities. Resets and take cities and heal up. Take cities, heal up. Take cities, heal up. We're good. Take cities again, take cities again, take cities again. Take cities, go south, please, go south. Yes or no? Go south, go full south, run south. Spread the fuck up, please, hello? South, 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 south. We can get shallow inside of us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage in shallow inside of us. Ok, Santi, t'es pas du tout sur nous. Go back southwest, go back southwest, go back southwest, go back southwest. Look how slow they are. They can't move. South, 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 please. You don't listen to me. You do your own shit. You try to see, oh, what is the enemies doing? Then why? Then you die. This is the main problem. Run south, run south. Heals on Balaboom, please. Heals on Balaboom. Go south, east, 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 up hill, east, up hill, east, up hill. And look on the crown, engage on the crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage on the crown, engage on the crown. I got no damage. Okay, good. Go back. Go full run the fuck up. You're scared, like, yeah. Run southeast, just run, just run, just run, just run. We're gonna reset.
I think what we need is more people to be together from the start. And then people need to understand, boys, listen. We never want to have a longer fight. We want to get in, do our shit, and then back the fuck off. Walk with me, walk with me, walk. Okay.
We need
Just run the fuck up, remount.
Yeah, I tried to save you with it as well, buddy.
Just remount and run the fuck up. Remount, run the fuck up. Remount, run the fuck up. Just come back to the crown. Come back to the crown. Everyone come back to the crown. You remount, you come back to the crown, and you follow me. Follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me.
Faut que les supports ils utilisent bien leur cleans parce que là on était bloqué.
Y'a pas de cleans. Ça avoir t'es censé avoir des bots, t'es pas censé avoir.
Non mais
Wait.
moi j'ai pas eu de problème. C'est pour les autres.
Push the DPS north. Kijo's gonna
Yo, chill, buddy.
Okay, good.
I'm
Go
gonna
south.
die though.
go south, go south, go south, go south, go south. Oh, bedrock? Yes, please.
We need a something defensive as well as a Igmatic or the Oath Keepers would be real good.
Come east with me. Joe, it could be good if you. What you doing? Don't tell me you fame farming, bro. Oh, it's sunny. Okay, never mind. My bad.
You're missing your cult. I'm there in 40.
We're south. Sea Theris, where are you at?
We're in Pen Creek, the blue zone towards Fort Stelling.
Sea Theris is not on the VC anymore. Goodbye. Don't you lose my time. Druden, we're on Mawogorsh for now. Penkirik, sorry. Who told you to dismount? No one. Okay, what we're gonna do? Wait, they're gonna go past 5. So come here. What we're gonna do? We engage shallow, we run away. We engage shallow, we run away. Put your boots first, you won't get stopped. I need every DPS to eat, by the way. I got luck. Species. What are we eating with? Okay, dismount me. Okay, look northwest on the map. Wait. Northwest on them. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage on them. Engage on them. Good. Go back. Southeast. Go back 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 southeast. Take care that they're gonna loot. They're gonna loot. Southeast. Full southeast. Good. Nice one, Tronico. Good. Southeast. Defensive down front. Ready to engage shallowness in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow inside of us. Good. Southeast. Go southeast again. Go south. Full run south. And help your front lanes. Why are you on the same pixel? Spread the fuck up. Go back south. South. Full south, boys. Look. You're going southeast. I told you to go full south. You're going full east. You're blocking yourself. I tell you to go full south. Please listen. Take care. They're gonna engage on us. Take care. Defensive down front. Defensive's good. Go west. Kite west. Where are we gonna wait? What if we get like 1 heals? 2 heals, sorry. Okay. You see the crown? You engage on the crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage on the crown. We got everything. Yeah, okay. Run the fuck up. Okay, we're gonna just respawn, we're gonna check.
Je switch, hein, je prends le 8-3.
Come Southeast Gate, everyone come Southeast Gate. Southeast Gate, let's go. Santi, faut vraiment que quand je te dis shallow. Southeast Gate zone in. Faut vraiment quand je te dis shallow, tu hits genre vraiment les mecs dans nous pour nous permettre de courir. Ok. Blue pop, when I tell you to engage shallow, please use your occult defensive way and like run the fuck up, you know?
Yeah, of course.
Là ce qui manque vraiment c'est un locus et des cleans.
But the biggest problem is when you have done an engage, that your DPS still pushes in, so you are spread out. You're going like a rainbow over the enemy instead of there being a clump together.
Yes.
So I'll get you and like the healer next to you out,
on me.
and me. Everyone else is just spreading out on top of the enemy.
Cesarish, Rowan Wood, we need you here. Dismount, please.
Sorry.
No, yeah, it's okay.